local Knitnots Sound Swatter game. Bad news, guys. Knitnots is sleeping next door. We can't play our new song now or the notes will float through the ceiling vent and wake him up.
I have an idea. We can use my brand new invention, the sound swatter.
A what swatter?
A sound swatter. Ta-da! But we'll need your help to make it work. While Smitty and I are playing our guitars, you pat the keys on your keyboard to swat away the notes. Like this. Pat the keys on the left side to move the left pillow. And pat the keys on the right side to move the right pillow. Ready? Click the green button to start. Here comes the first note. Yes! Just like that. Keep up the great swatting. Here come more notes. Now it's time for Rich to kick in on drums. The drum notes float right up the middle, like this. Looks like we'll need to add the racket attachment to the sound swatter. There! Now click the space bar on the keyboard to swat the drum. That's it! Pat the space bar to swat away drum notes with the racket, and pat the keys to swat away guitar notes with the pillows. Okay guys, let's add Scott on keyboard to put it all together. That means you'll need to be extra fast to swat away all of our notes. Remember, pat the keys to use the left pillow or the right pillow, and pat the space bar to move the racket swatter for those tricky up the middle notes. Ready? Click the green button and we'll all start to play.
We did it! We finished our song without waking Knitnots.
Great job! We couldn't have done it without you and your amazing sound
Are you guys
swatting.
thinking what I'm thinking?
Uh-huh.
Click the green button and let's do it again.